today I have Reggie Banks with me, and today we are gonna be trying some foods for ya. Veggie toasted chips. Roll it. They're really good. My rating on these,
a 7 out of 10.
I was gonna give it like a 7.5.
Numero dos.
Nature Valley biscuits.
Your mouth.
Let's get a good open. Ew.
I think it's peanut butter.
Let's read it. Almond butter.
Ooh.
So if you're allergic, do not get this.
Cheers.
Pretty good. 5 out of 10.
I'll give it like a 5.5 out of 10.
It wasn't that good. If you get this, make sure you get water. Mouth is parched.
Numero tres.
Sunflower seeds.
3, 2, 1.
I like sunflower seeds in general. Talk about seeds.
I don't like it.
10 out of 10.
4 out of 10. Numero cuatro.
Nutri-Grain. Strawberry flavored. You can open it. We're gonna have to cut to a drink break for this one too. Very dry.
I love it. 10 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
Numero cinco.
Nature Valley Crunchy Bar.
What part?
Oh. It's too dry for me.
Yeah, it's too dry for me too.
2 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
You're gonna need a drink for this one.
Drink break.
Tough being a camera.
Numero 6.
Rice Krispie Bar, original. I think it's original. You can open it. Rice Krispie Bars are my favorite.
Yeah. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Overall, I would give the vending machine
A 6 out of 10.
I was gonna say a 5 out of 10, but I think they need more variety. So,
Yeah. And less dry snacks.
10K likes and we'll put more food in there.
Like and subscribe.